Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. After getting rejected by this resistance of $21,360, Bitcoin has even broken down the previous support of $20,800 as well and moving at the very critical support. And if it will be broken down, then it can drop to the next support. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break down this support or we are going to break out the next resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this down channel that Bitcoin broke out on 15th of June, and we were rejected by this $23,000 resistance level. And after this rejection, Bitcoin again dropped and even broke down the previous support that was at $21,360. And after testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support, it moved up again. And again, you can see we had several rejections, and recently, a few hours back, we are rejected here. And after this rejection, we are again below this support. This resistance of $20,800, that is also very significant resistance, because previously it had been breaking as a support here, as a support here, as a support here, and right now it has flipped into the resistance. And this $21,360 has been breaking as a resistance here, as a resistance here, and as a support here. Now this next support of $20,250 is very significant, because you can see when we were dropped after breaking down the $28,600 support. Let me just show you that support on the weekly time frame. Here we had the $28,600 support, and you can see on the weekly time frame it was really very strong support. And we were not breaking it down since after January 2021. After every retest, we were forming higher than previous high. And right now you can see after breaking down, we dropped here at this support of $20,250. And right now we are again testing this support. We did not break it down even after that drop. And we again moved up. We again tested the support here. We broke out this channel, and again we are testing this support. We tested this support here, and right now we are testing the support here as well. Now, and we can also observe that this support is also the recent swing low before breaking out this channel, and such supports or such levels work as a very strong support. And here indeed it is working as a very nice support. And so far, since 15th of June, Bitcoin is not able to break it down. But you can see that we are testing the support again and again. And here we are also forming another down trend line resistance as well. Let me show you this resistance. You can see that we have a rejection here, and we have another rejection. This is the first rejection. This is the second one. And then we have another rejection here. And if I connect all these rejections, so it is probably Bitcoin is now forming a descending triangle here. And if this is the case, then it is testing the support more than the resistance. You can see in a very obvious manner, it is testing the support more than the resistance. The support is slightly up here at $20,300, because you can see we have more touch points here. Now, for example, if Bitcoin breaks down the support, because it is testing the support more than the resistance, that is a quite clear signal that it can break down the support. And because the more we will test any level, the more there will be chances to break it down or break it out. Now, right now, you can see it is showing us the projections to the downside, that is $19,170. And the next support we have at $19,500. And it is also possible that after breakdown, we test the support of $19,500, and if it will be reversed back from there, then it can move up to this next resistance of that is now working right now as a support, that is $20,200. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support If it will be broken down, then an imminent move can be up to $19,500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.